Hello and welcome back. I don't know if I'm going to be able to squeeze this in, but this is going to be part two. I left the game. This side was left. Just drew a card for them. Let's flip cup to flip the handheld crap blaster on Iron HUD. I keep dropping cards. Tap Iron HUD, go into Stealth. Blades has 1 defense, 1 defense, 1 defense. You know, let's go after Broadside. Just go after Broadside. 1, 2, bold 1. Well, white. Pip. 5, 6, 7, 8, pierce 2, 8, 7, gosh, I wish I could just sort of 8, 7. Tough one. Yeah, he's definitely he's just out. Oh. Well, I already have an Energon boost. Okay, so that is going to give me some room. He comes out. Boom, boom, boom. Who had the 5 health? It was Stormcloud, that's right. Draw a card. I still have a good bit of characters over here. Energon boost 5 to 2. KO the card. Put it up there, I guess. Boy. Put on Decepticons. Holy crap! I dropped another card. I keep dropping everything. There's I see a die down there too. I haven't flipped anybody. Armor utility on blades. I can't put the Scoundrel's Blaster on him. Specialist. Melee ranged. Well, that's not happening. Put the Field Communicator on blades. Scrap to play it. I guess I'll play it up. You'll watch me forget to play it. Let's flip blades. Tap him. We have to go into Iron HUD. 3, 4. 4, 3, 2. Tough one. White. Pip. Well, he gets it for 2. 1 down to 3. No green. No green. Draw a card. Defensive driving. Well, it is an armor. Put the armor on Iron HUD. Draw a card. That's his. Ooh, put on damaged characters only. Cup is damaged. That's my hand right there. Put the Energon axe on cup. Flip cup for turn. I can scrap a blue. Is this a blue card? No, it's not. It's another escape capsule. Well, flip, tap, go into. Oh man, 4, 5, 8. Pierce 2. I have to go into blades. 1, 2. Yuck. I'll get bold 2. Bold 2. White pip. Oh my gosh. Blades may be out. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 and 3 is 11. 11 and 3 is dead. Damage an enemy equal to the number of drones. Scrap. So, okay. He defended. He had their own drone jets. He was going to get KO'd anyway. So, let's say I would have had to have actually done that before he was KO'd. But, oh, crap. Did I just... No. Okay. These were their cards. That doesn't really come into play. Draw a card. It's the team on the left again. Oh, and Blades is KO'd. Blades is KO'd. Put on Decepticons only. Try not to get my head in the way. Whoa, why did that turn? I probably bumped it. Flip Storm Cloud to flip somebody, I guess. Excuse me. Let's put the Scoundrel's Blaster on Night Flight. Tap him, go into... Okay, he's already has attack of 5, Pierce 2. Well, let's go after Cup. Yeah, let's go after Cup. 1, 2, well, that's 7. So far, he's out. That's 5. 4, 3. Well, he's not out. 3 and 5 is 8. Interesting cards in here. Yes, I know. Storm Cloud into Sergeant Cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3. 2, 1. Whittling Cup down. Sonic Stun Gun. Yes. I can't use Secret Air Attack. Sonic Stun Gun. It is now Blunderbuss. What a name. Each green pip flip for attack adds +1. 1, 2. Nice. He's not a helicopter, so I don't get the white. That's what that is up there. 3, 4, 5. Pierce 1, 5, 4, 3. He's out. Only thing is that he gets to keep his upgrades. This is scary. Keep the Sonic Stun Gun. Don't want that. Draw a card for these guys over here. Oh, crap. Let's flip Cup into KO. Keep that. Tap Flame out. Let's attack. 2, 3, 6, Pierce 2. Let's go after Storm Cloud. No, let's go ahead and get rid of Blunderbuss. 1, 2. White. Come on. Pip, and I get Bold 2. Bold 2. Well, what do we say? 2, 3, 6, 7. 7 Pierce 4, no matter what I flip. He's still out anyway. Can I do that right? I think so. Untap, 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 untap. So these guys get to go. Let's end this with a bang, shall we? Oh, well. Playing Sonic Stun Gun, which is a green card. I think that it triggers itself. Let's flip Storm Cloud, flipping for turn. So that's an attack of 5 so far, as long as I'm doing that right. Go after Flame Out. Let's just knock out Flame Out. 1, 2, ooh. Yeah, 1 helicopter, 1 plane. 3, 4, 5. Oh, I gotta shuffle. Dadgummit. I got a lot of stuff going on. I'm just really stressed out. I really need to be at my father-in-law's house. He's in the hospital again. My wife is telling him he has to get rid of the animals because they're tearing up his house. It's just nasty in there. He can't bend over. He's not in good shape. It's affecting his breathing, his everything. Flame Out. 1. And he's melee. They're all melee. 1, 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4. Out. Well, Flame Out had a good run. He did what he was supposed to do. He helped dodge a bullet for Ironhide, I guess. No green here. Draw a card. Can you see everything? Yeah, you can't. Yeah, I just should have put it up a little higher. Here's my hand. Flip for turn. Now that we have him in truck mode. 4-wheel drive. Best I can do here. Now he is a truck. We have to go into Storm Cloud. 1, 2. Bold 1 for the handheld blaster. The glares. Man, this is mainly a blue deck. So 7, 8. Right now he's out. 8, 7. Yes, he's out. Night Flight versus Ironhide. Interesting. I don't know about this. Well, crap, that's a weapon. All I have are nothing but weapon cards, and the Scoundrel's Blaster is the best I have. I want to keep his defense, so let's just say I'm flip Storm Cloud in the KO. Flip for turn, because I can, so I did. Tapping Night Flight going into Doomahickey Ironhide over here. 1, 2, 5, Pierce 2, 5, 4. 3, 2. Where's my 5? I got a 5 here somewhere. Let's swap this for an extra padding. Whoa, that's my character. Untap. Let's see if Ironhide pulls this out. Yeah, let's swap out the defensive driving for the improvised shield. Have to flip him for turn, which is his better mode anyway, and he will now have tough 2. Oh, I can't play that because he's not a truck. Oh man, it's wrong truck, buddy. Card that I made. We have to go after Night Flight. 1, 2. Bold 1. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, I'll just say I missed it because I put the shield on him as a truck, and I forgot to draw. I was supposed to draw a card when I put an armor on him in bot mode. So I'll just say I did it the wrong way. 1, 2. White pip. 1, 2, bold 1, white pip, no orange. 5, 6, 6, 5, 4. Would you believe he's still alive? Let's swap the missile pod, I guess, for the reflect damage. what is he? He's ranged. Play the wedge formation. Draw a card for my ranged character, which gives me 2 extra paddings. Wait a minute. 5, 6. I didn't put his damage on here. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. That's right. He only has 3 health left. Put on his extra paddings. We played the wedge formation. Flip someone into KO. Keep his 1 defense. Going after Ironhide again. 1, 2. Oh, there's the other one. Shoot. 5 pierce 2. 5, 4, 3. Do I want the extra padding? Yeah. Know if it'll last that long though. Untap, draw a card. What do we have over here? Well, and flip for turn. Inferno Breath. 5 stars or more. Boom, they won. Wow. That was the end of part 2. We actually got to see some interesting parts here. Using a few new cards. I didn't get to play everything, but it was only 1 game in 2 parts. Yeah, it was a little long. But we did get to see Cup with Twin Twist's head flame out. Wideload, my Ironhide. We got to see, whoa crap, Blunderbuss, 2 Decepticons, Blades, and Broadside in play. A lot of neat stuff going on. I wish I had time to just keep filming and keep recording and just game after game after game, see the Matrix get played. I think there's a Matrix, at least one, in both decks here. I wish I had more. I need to print some more regular Matrixes. I printed some Matrixes for my Beast Wars set that can go on Maximals. But I think I put it Maximals and Autobots. I think I have it Maximals and Autobots. I could be wrong about that. But just, wow. Just a fun little game. A lot of neat stuff going on. I hope I played this right. I hope I'm playing, what's that card? The Sonic Stun Gun right. That when you play it, it goes ahead, since it was a green card, that you get the +1 off of that for playing the green card, because the Sonic Stun Gun is a green card. But just a lot of stuff going on. But yeah, this is a better deck for Broadside. So the next time I play with a live person again, I might have a better chance than I did last time, which wasn't bad. A few games were actually pretty close, and it's just fun. I really like Broadside. Yeah. But he got KO'd quicker than I thought that time. A lot of non-attack damage going on over here between Inferno Breath, Wideload's flip ability, which I did not allow to because of hit and run. I was unsure, considering most of our cards say when you flip. Well, if hit and run flips the character, I didn't flip it, the card did. So I did not say that worked, so to speak. So I didn't allow that to trigger. Even though I may be playing by myself here, I'm trying to be as fair as I can. So there is that. Just a lot of neat stuff. You know, actually with his tap ability, or it's not really a tap ability, but it's an ability that allows you to tap another truck on your team to tap them for turn without them being able to attack to make a 3-hit on another character. Plus the Inferno Breath, I think, really helped them out over here a little bit. A little, maybe too much white. I don't know. Right as I say, it's a bluer deck than you would think, but it's very mixed. It really is a very mixed deck over here. But that is, oh my gosh, that's all I got time for right now. We'll see you next time. And as always, thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. And Autobots, flip out and let's roll for it.